If your travel dreams look like safari sunsets, you're a true adventurer. First stop, the Masai Mara. Home to the Great Migration, it's a wildlife wonderland. Want to see lions, elephants, and cheetahs up close? This is the place. Next, Mount Kenya. It's Africa's second highest peak, perfect for climbers and nature lovers. The stunning views from the top are unforgettable. Don't miss Diani Beach, turquoise waters and white sand. It's a beach lover's paradise, ideal for snorkeling and sunbathing. For history buffs, Lamu Island is a must. Step back in time with its ancient buildings and rich Swahili culture. It's like walking through a living museum. Finally, the Amboseli National Park, famous for its herds of elephants and views of Mount Kilimanjaro, picture perfect for any traveler. So pack your bags and get ready to fall in love with Kenya. Your adventure awaits.